champ, how are you doing? Welcome into another amazing session on I'm your master teacher Shivam Gupta, and in today's class we will see some application of arithmetic progression. So champ, let's start. In this class, first of all we will see that in which case we can use the arithmetic progression concept, like in the case of sitting arrangement, in the case of banking, cost estimation, and in the case of construction also. So let's start with the introduction, champ. First of all, a question comes in a mind that if this sequence, right, 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, I know that in this sequence every consecutive number have a common difference of 5. Yes or no? Every consecutive numbers have a common difference of 5. But is there any use of this arithmetic progression in the real life? Can we use these concepts, the concept of common difference, the concept of first term? Can we use the concept of arithmetic progression in our daily life? Let's figure it out. So champ, its answer is yes. There are many cases, many examples where we can use the concept of arithmetic progression, like in the case of taxi fare, in the case of construction, right, in the case of sitting arrangement, in the case of stack, cost estimation, and in the case of banking also. Like how in the case of banking, if I have taken a loan, there will be some interest, right? The interest amount will keep on increasing with a common difference. Same in the taxi fare, after a particular distance my taxi will charge a particular rupees for a 1 kilometer. So after every kilometer my fare will increase by a common term. That means arithmetic progression. In all other case also, champ, there are many examples where we can use the arithmetic progression in our daily life also. So let's get started with the sitting arrangement, champ. So look at this question, champ. There are 20 rows of seats in a concert hall with a 20 seat in the first row, 23 seat in the second row, and 26 seats in the third row, and so on. So can you see that in the next row the number of seats are increasing by 3? Yes. So it is what? In each row, the number of seats are getting increased by number 3. That means the number of seats between two consecutive numbers, between two consecutive rows, the difference of seat is 3. That means the common difference between two terms, between two consecutive terms is always same equal to 3. Arithmetic progression, right? What they're asking, how many seats are there in the last row? And last row is what? 20th row. We know the first term. Yes. Okay, let's see. Champ, there will be something like this. Okay, sitting arrangement like this. So champ, we can say that if in the first row there are total 20 seats, in the second row total 23, then 26, then 29, up to 20th row. So we can see this is nothing but AP with the first term 20, common difference 3. The number of terms will be 20. Why? Because there are 20 rows and we have to find the 20th term. That in the 20th row, how many seats are there? So we can simply apply the formula of nth term of the AP, A plus n minus 1 into D. We know the value of A, N and D. We will get there are total 77 seats in the 20th row of a movie hall. I hope it is clear. Very good. Excellent. Now, champ, let's see a question of banking also, bache. Look at this question. Yashi saves 32 rupees during the first month, 36 rupees during the second month, and 40 rupees in the third month. Can you see some pattern in the savings? Yes, very good. If C continues to save in this manner, in how many months will she save 2000 rupees? The total 2000 rupees, in how many months she will save? That means summation, right? sum of the savings is equal to 2000. The saving in the first month is 32. In the second is 36. In the third is 40. So champ, we can see, right? The given situation, the given savings can be represented by like this: 32, 36, 40, 44. The savings are getting increased by number 4, right? That means this is an AP with a common difference of 4, right, champ? So we can write the first term is 32, common difference is 4, summation is given equal to 2000. We have to find the value of n. We know the formula of Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now champ, we know Sn value, we know a value, we know d value. We have to find the value of n. Just look at it. Champ, I think this will become the quadratic equation in n variable, right? Look at here. After rearranging, after solving a little bit, I am getting a quadratic equation in variable n. I know how to solve quadratic. There are many methods. We can use the factorization method. We can use the quadratic formula directly, right? But in this one, we can use the factorization method directly, right? So check this 15n can be written as 40n minus 25n to satisfy the condition. After taking the common factor common, putting all the factor equal to 0, I am getting n equal to 25 and n equal to minus 40. But the number of months cannot be negative, cannot be minus 40. That is why the right answer is 25. I hope it is clear. Very good. Now, champ, let's see a question of cost estimation also. Look at the question, champ. An oil company bores a hole 18 meter deep. Estimate the cost of boring. If the cost is 30 rupees for drilling the first meter, with an increase in the cost of 2 rupees per meter for each succeeding meter. Very easy, right? My cost is getting increased by a particular number. That's it. So champ, my first term is 30. Common difference is 2. N is 80. We have to find Sn. Simply apply the formula of Sn. We know value of N. We know value of A. We know value of D. Tada, right? Simply put the value, champ, and you will get the answer of Sn. But no mistake in the calculation, okay? No silly mistake in the calculation. Okay, very good. Now, champ, let's see one question of construction also. So look at this question, champ, and very excellent question. An entrance to a restaurant comprises of 15 steps each of which is 50 meter long, okay, built of solid concrete. Okay, very good. Now, each step has a rise of 1 by 4 meter and tread of 1 by 2 meter, right, champ? Calculate volume of concrete required to build a staircase. Very simple question if you know how to make the series. Now, champ, we have to find the volume, that's it, right? So, champ, we can see the first staircase having a tread of half, right? Length 50 and height 1 by 4. Then height is getting increased. Height is getting increased by a factor of 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Everything else is same. So we can write the volume as V1, V2, V3, V4 up to the last stair. Now, champ, what is the volume? L into B into H. L into B into H for the first stair. L into B into H for the second stair. L into B into H for the third stair. Like for all the stair. Now, champ, we can see that we can take 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 50 common. 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 50, I can take common from each term and I will be left with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 inside the bracket up to 15. The sum of 15 natural numbers. You can apply the formula of Sn also, or you can directly apply the formula also. Okay, so champ, after applying this formula, we will get the summation equal to 120. Very easy. Now simply multiply all of these, you will get the answer. I hope it is clear. Very good, champ. So let's summarize our class. So we have seen that AP concept can be used in many examples of daily life like taxi fare, construction, sitting arrangement, stack, cost estimation, banking, and many more. Okay? So champ, that's all for this class. Make sure that you're practicing hard for the AP and keep smiling and be safe. Bye bye.